Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying exactly what failed and why. Look for hairline cracks, split grain, or a loose tip. Once done, remove any tape, loose debris, or hardware and measure the broken area so you know what parts to replace. Make sure to select adhesive and filler rated for the baton material and set up clamps and protective padding to avoid new dents. You want a stable workspace before you bond anything. Next, dry fit the sections so you understand how they mate and mark alignment to preserve balance. Apply a thin, even layer of epoxy or specialty adhesive to both mating surfaces. Avoid excess that will change weight distribution. Once bonded, clamp using padding to keep the baton rounded and maintain straightness. Check visually and with a straight edge. Allow full cure time as specified. Partial cures will weaken the joint, so resist testing too early. To finish, reinforce the repair with an internal sleeve or a thin fiberglass wrap that overlaps the joint by 1 to 2 inches so the stress spreads evenly. Once cured, sand the area progressively from 120 to 320 grit to match the profile, and then seal with varnish or a protective coat to restore appearance and moisture resistance. If balance shifted, add or remove up to 5 grams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.